Hey everybody, I'm here on Mount Rainier. I wanted to show you some really cool waterfalls. It's about 26 degrees, so it's not that cold. They're saying it's cold outside, but it's not to me. I'm already used to the weather. Funny, huh? Let's unlock the doors, let's go outside. Check that out. Let's walk over here to the waterfall and check it out. Check out this waterfall. And then down here, you can see like how the dam and let's run over here. Let's go check out this little waterfall thing. I left my car running with the geese in it. Crazy, huh? I don't see anybody. Check out this view. Isn't that amazing? Huh? Waterfalls? Now, this is beautiful Washington. This is what the outdoors is all about. This is great. Check out the mountains over there. That's Mount Rainier, guys. This is Mount Rainier National Park. That's just amazing. Oh, whew. Breathing the fresh air. Oh, this is good. That means life is good. So I'm experiencing this firsthand, and I bring it to you guys to hope you guys enjoy it. It's getting a little cold. I have my jacket on, and I gotta go get my jacket. So we'll probably go get my jacket, and we'll see you guys later.